Meet Bruce. Bruce is a project manager who builds wind farms all around the globe. No, not that kind of windmill. This kind. High-tech, modern windmills. You see them pop up everywhere, on land and at sea. Because the wind business is booming. Bruce's business too. His company is juggling a record number of new projects, and that has gotten Bruce stressed and worried. An offshore wind farm wants to scale up by adding a dozen new turbines. That means Bruce needs to get on top of things fast. One of the things he needs is compressed air, lots of it, and sooner rather than later, he ponders different rental solutions that cater to his specific needs. What are those needs? Flexibility is crucial because Bruce is never certain when and where he'll need just how much compressed air. Reliability is equally important. There's no room for error or delays when you're in a competitive market such as this one. Mobility and maneuverability are next on his wish list. The compressor must be easy to move around, especially when working offshore. And of course, when you're in the wind energy business, sustainability is always top of mind. Bruce is closing in on a solution. Atlas Copco Specialty Rental has what he needs. But wait, that solution may not be what you think it is. Before, Atlas Copco might have suggested its diesel-driven PTS oil-free air compressor. That machine is reliable, easy to move around, and simple to start up. But it does have its disadvantages. Its bigger size makes it harder to ship, and the emissions of its diesel engine mean this is not the most ecological solution. Today, we have an alternative that will excite Bruce. The new PTE mobile air compressor offers all the benefits of the PTS without its drawbacks. First, there's the logistics. Its compact size makes this machine easy to transport and to maneuver around, on or offshore. The PTE is a plug-and-play solution that is simple to connect, and it's up and running in no time. It boasts the quality and reliability customers have come to expect of Atlas Copco. And last but not least, this electric-driven machine is a poster child for sustainability. Atlas Copco's new PTE, the yellow box that brings a wind of change.